All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. We got a great new product from our friends at HYCHIKA today, and this is the HYCHIKA Cordless Drill Driver Kit, and this is model number DD18F. And I already took it out and went ahead and I used their fast charger, which only takes 1 hour to charge their batteries, and it comes with a 2 amp hour 20 volt max lithium ion battery. So we got this all charged up and ready to go for use. Let's go ahead and take the rest out of here and see what we got. So it comes with a nice carrying bag for everything. That's pretty cool. That way you can keep everything together. And this is the box that the charger came in. And also comes with a belt clip. And there's the belt clip and the screw to hold it in. And the drill itself. It's a nice looking drill. And this has a 21+1 clutch on here. So depending on what you're using it for. And 2-speed variable on top. And comes with a cool little toolkit all set for you. So even sockets and the adapter. So you go ahead and use this for all types of stuff. Comes with drill bits, all that. So that's pretty cool. That's a bonus. And last thing in here is the instruction manual. If I can get it to stand up. There we go. And on the 2 speeds here, you have from 400 RPM all the way up to 1500 RPM. And this is a 3/8 drill chuck. And let's go ahead and put the battery in. Put the battery in there now. All right. Let's go ahead and attach our belt clip. Alright, we'll hold this and we'll get it in there this way. And we'll go ahead and screw that in. Alright, so that's on there now, so you go ahead and attach it to your belt. Alright, and since we're going to be going ahead and we're going to give a demonstration with this thing, we'll go ahead and put in one of the number 2 bits, because that's what we're going to need for our screws here. And this does have a 310 inch-pound keyless chuck. So let's go ahead and tighten that up on there. All right. All right. Also, another feature on here, you also have a light, which always comes in handy. All right, and I do want to add that similar to all the other drill companies out there, they do have a whole line of brushless. They have chainsaws. They have blowers. They have all different types of stuff that we'll probably be reviewing coming up here in the future. So, pretty cool and very affordable. And this thing is actually pretty lightweight. So let's go ahead and put it to use and see what it does.
Oh, it even have one of those
straps.
Yeah, that can hang it upwards.
All right, so I got my assistant here who is pretty excited to try this new drill out, right?
Yep.
All right. I have a feeling that someone's going to be stealing my drill on me. And you have Nutella all over your face. Alright, let's get the Nutella off. That was good though, right? Yeah. Alright, so what we're doing, we're putting together a base for our bees, right, Manger?
Yep.
Yep, so we need to go ahead and get this all together. So here's our two sides. And we got to connect this piece into the back. All right, so we need to run a screw here, and a screw here. Can you do that? All right, I'm gonna hold it and you're gonna do the drilling, okay?
Yep.
All right, right on top of it. Make sure you're in there good. Yep. Yep. Good. All right, hang on. Let's turn the torque down on this a little bit. We don't want to go right through it. So this thing is pretty strong.
Okay.
You drilled that one in there really good. Yep. Yep. There you go. All right, good. All right. All right, obviously you can tell, adjust your settings according to what you're drilling in. So that's perfect right there. That, a little deep, so it is pretty strong. All right, ready to get that one in?
Yep.
All right. All right, let's get that one sunk in there. Yep. Woo! Okay.
That one's the board torn.
All right. So now, let's go ahead and get the other side in here. All right. Ready to get this one in? All right, let's get that in there. Yep. Good, perfect.
It was dead for a second.
Yeah. All right, let's get this last one in there.
I got it.
You got it? You don't even need help, do you?
No.
Yeah, a little help. You gotta keep it straight on. Straight on. All right, that's good. Woo! All right, you got those in nice and deep. You're doing good.
Yep.
You like the drill?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so now we need to get the front put on here. This is gonna be a tricky one. And we're gonna take our two boards here, and you can see how they're gonna connect together like that.
It is gonna be really easy.
Okay.
Really easy.
Really easy, okay. And then we have the one with the two holes is gonna go at the bottom, and then the one is gonna go at the top here. So here, I'll turn it for you. So that one's gonna go right there. Get it lined up correctly, and then just take your time drilling it and go slow. Nope. Yep, keep it on there. Yep, now go slow with it. Push, you gotta hold pressure down. Yep. Okay. All right, so we got one side on. And line it up and go slow with it and get it in there. Yep. You gotta apply pressure down now. Oh, don't hit Daddy. Daddy's got the dangerous job right now. Ooh. All right, finish putting it in there. It's almost there. There you go. All right. He doesn't need Dad's help. He's doing it. Oh, yeah, leave it right there. Remember, you apply down pressure when you do it. All right, I'll hold that for you. No, straight on. Yep. You may need to just turn it a little. There you go. And then. All right. And once again, this is going to slip down in there like that.
Dad, we need one more name.
No, we only need 2 for here. We actually had an extra one. So go ahead and put the screw in there. Yep. That's good. Straight down in there. Oh, keep it tight there. There you go. Now do it. See when you apply pressure? There you go. All right. This is how they learn. This is how you teach them. And he's doing an excellent job. And thanks to HYCHIKA. He's learning. Yep. There you go. Put down pressure on it. Yep. Apply pressure. All right. Perfect. All right. So obviously, this is just one of the many things you can go ahead and do with this drill. And we're all set for our bottom board here. We just got to paint it for the bees, right?
Yep.
All right. So that's all set and screwed together. And this thing is going to come in handy all over the place, right, Major?
Yep.
Yep, we'll be able to do all types of stuff with this. So, all right. So that's a quick review and a look at the new drill from HYCHIKA. And once again, they have all types of other products too. Make sure to check them out. And we look forward to doing more videos with them on their other tools. So once again, we guys hope you like.
Yes.
And subscribe and ring that notification bell, right?
Yep.
All right, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.